couldn't reach. Took time from moving on. Hold on to the years before this moment's gone. Why must we live the minutes at such a blinding pace? We're all like clouds that move across the skies. We are changing form before our very eyes. How we outgrown our feathered hands and wings. We're steadily grown to hold. We're built on land and peace, whose lives a constant change. And nothing stays the same. Oh no.
Okay, question. Alright, so in the line of the constant change, we're all like clouds.
Stay. And sa ikwan ba?
We're all like clouds. What's the line again? We're all like clouds that move across the sky. So, in what ways are we like clouds? Unsa pamaagi nga nahimo tang panganod na?
Yes.
In what ways are we like clouds? Why are we comparing our lives into clouds?
Mas yan sila, hindi mo tapos 11, 16, 19, 20, so may ko na sa once, yun lang. Wala. Blanco. Nakaka-blanco.
Hindi naman.